Hi everybody, welcome. So glad you're here. Thank you for joining me and my sleepy sidekicks who are awake at the moment. We'll see if they make it the whole way through the video. So this is Wyatt. Zena's beside me, but she is busy with a treat. That's how I had to lure her up here to help me out today. So we'll get her in a little bit. So I'm super excited. I have an unboxing for you, and it feels like I haven't had an unboxing for a little while. Probably hasn't been that long, but for some reason it feels like it's been a little bit. So, do you want to tell them what it is? No. Okay. I have a Natalie Attired unboxing for you today. So, Natalie Attired is a subscription service, clothing service. You get, I'm pretty sure it's 5 items, right? You get a buy all discount. Here's the inside of my box. I'm already dropping stuff. I got a handwritten note from my stylist, whose name is Renee. She said, "Hi Laura, I hope you love the fall collection I chose for you. The teal oversized sweater is a fave of all of us here. I look forward to your feedback." So I almost didn't want to read it to you because I hate giving stuff away. But she only told me one thing, and I do love the color teal, so we're off to a good start here. They also give you information on your little card that tells you what to do and how to check out. There's a $20 styling fee, and it is applied to anything that you keep, which is pretty standard. So, very pretty presentation. Let's dig in. I've had on and off luck with Natalie Attired, so we'll see how this one goes. I did get 5 items. The total of everything, and I'm not going to look at prices till the end, but the total of everything is $269, so that's not too bad for a fall box. We'll see what's in here. They do give you an envelope to return anything that you don't love, so it's free shipping. And let me get my bundle out here, which I'm like ripping apart before I've showed you. So here's my bundle with icy pants. Okay. So first up, and they'll sometimes like put things inside each other. So this is actually 2 items. So it looks like a little, is this a t-shirt? A long sleeve t-shirt in a light gray, I believe. Almost taupey. It's very silky, so a nice basic little tee. Okay, and it was underneath, and it is by, who's it by? Excuse me, have to be awesome. Excuse me, have to go be awesome. Okay, and this is Renee C, and it looks like it is a kimono. And it's lavender. It almost looks like rust and mustard colors here. Okay. Oh, the next little pair is paired together. The next couple pieces are paired together as well. This is the teal she was talking about. Oh, and this is a very heavy cardigan. So this is very nice. I like this. It's got the little cuff sleeves, the little patch pocket here. Very nice. And it is a dark teal color. I'm hoping you guys are picking that up. It's not a super bright day out today, so I'm hoping you can see. And it's by LELIS. So that is very nice. I like the collar. This actually feels like outerwear. So I could wear this as a coat. That's how heavy this is. Very pretty. I like that. And underneath it was a top also by Renee C. A blouse. I guess, would you call that like a Chardonnay color? It is almost, it's red, I think. Deep red, which isn't terrible. And the teal colors. It has this little, is that like a balloon sleeve? It has the elastic at the wrist. But that's pretty. I'll try those 2 together. And last we have tribal jeans in a gray with some stretch. Okay, no distressing, just a little bit of fading. Let me try these on and see how it looks. Be right back. Okay, so I was able to grab these up for you. So here she is. Can you say hi to everybody before you run off? Huh? Okay, so here's the first outfit. So I put it together the way that my stylist Renee had it. And I put on a pair of silver booties. I hope you guys can see these. And this, I have this taupe tee on. Okay. Yeah, so here's the whole outfit. The jeans, I'll start with them. I think they might be a little bit big on me. I have so much on here. They might be a little bit big. I have a little bit of room, but they are a high waist. The front is not working pockets. So they're like a jegging, I think, but they fit nicely, aside from the fact that I have a little bit of room in the waist. But they're not bad. And they're cute. This long sleeve tee is a simple basic, but I find that as I'm walking, even as I was walking in here, I keep wanting to pull it down. So I'm not sure that it's going to stay in place. So that would be, time will tell. I'll have to wear that for a little bit. And then this kimono seems like I have, can you guys see? I have a lot of room in it. It seems like a lot of room, right? I know they're supposed to be oversized, but this feels like a ton of room. Maybe I could belt it. I don't know. What does that look like if I belted it? Okay, I'll try the next two pieces. Okay, so next up is this blouse, which I think is very pretty. I like the flowiness of it, but it doesn't look too big. I'm just not sure how I feel about these sleeves. What do you guys think of these sleeves? So they have the stitching here, but it's not tight. I actually have room, so it's not at all tight because I was worried about that, but that's not a concern. But they do balloon here at the bottom. So is that what these are, balloon sleeves, I'm guessing? Because that's a lot of room there. But I don't think that part's noticeable. It's how it just lays here at the bottom. But the colors are very pretty. It's a little bit longer in the back. I like the V front. So I'm not sure. Okay, so let's try on this cardigan, which is like a coatigan. I wonder if I couldn't go down a size in this shirt too. I didn't look at sizes. When we look at prices, I'll look at sizes too. This looks a little bit, maybe a little big too. Okay. So here is the cardigan with it. This is so soft and comfortable, and I love things like this, especially when I'm at my son's hockey games. This is like perfect for that. I think it looks a little, you know, stylish, yet cozy. But I feel like this is big on me. I'm having a hard time telling, but I think it looks big. Okay, I'll be right back for a quick wrap up. Okay, so let's go over prices and do a quick wrap up. The top of my pile here has this blouse, which I thought was kind of cute. I just am afraid it's a little big on me. And it is a small, so that might be why. Maybe, I don't know if it comes in an extra small or not. I'm not sure here. So I liked it. I didn't think it was too bad. I'm not sure about these sleeves. So is it worth sizing down? I don't know. Let's get through the rest of it. It was okay, so it's the long sleeve V-neck blouse, $46. These jeans which are the tribal jeans in the gray, the 5-pocket ankle pant. These were $89. I actually really liked these. I loved where they hit it on my ankle. They look nice with those booties that I tried on with it, and those booties I have a hard time wearing because of how the front comes up high, but then they have that cutout. So I actually really liked them with those shoes. So I'm leaning towards keeping these. So these are in my maybe pile right now because I kind of liked how they fit. They were soft, flexible, and easy wear pant. They were cute. Okay, the kimono. So the kimono was elbow sleeve kimono, $46. Not bad. I just thought it was a bit overwhelming. I don't think I would reach for it in my, you know, as the weather's changing, I feel like it's going to be not warm enough. And I'm not sure the colors really do anything for me. What do you guys think? So this is going in my probably not pile. The t-shirt. So this was the long sleeve round V-neck top. It's only $22. This is a great basic. If I was keeping all 5, I'd have no problem keeping this as a layering piece. There's nothing wrong with it. This is also a small. So it's going in my we'll see pile as well. So last up is the long cuff sleeve pocket cardigan, $66. And the size of this is a small medium. So I'm guessing it's small, medium, and large, extra large. So that's probably why it felt a little big, which wouldn't be bad because as the weather changes, you can layer, put things underneath it. I'm going to check just in case to see if I can get a smaller size because it felt a little bit big, but I still think it probably is okay. And I really like this color on me. And it's so soft and it's so warm and it's so perfect for the hockey rink that I think I have to keep this. And for the price point of $66, and I already spent, you know, a $20 styling fee, so for $46 more, I feel like I'm going to keep this one no matter what. So then it's like, do I keep these for $89 without the discount? Okay, so everything would be is $269 if I kept it all. If I kept it all and got the 20% discount, my total would be $199.20. So if I kept the ankle pant and the cardigan, that would be what? $156 minus 20, $136. So for $60 more, $63 more, I would get the other 3 items as well. Okay, so there's the math. Now I have to decide what to do. So I would love it if you guys would give me your thoughts down below. What should I keep? What should I return? Was anything a standout piece to you? Love, love, love to read your comments. If you like this video, I would love it if you give me a thumbs up. If you hit that subscribe button and show me support, I would so appreciate it. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I have one remaining sleepy sidekick here who is, of course, asleep on the job. There you have it. And the other one has completely deserted me, as always. So these two are like highly overpaid, and I don't get much out of them at all. So thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me your comments and your thoughts on what I should keep and what I should return. Till next time, have a great day. Bye.